Hurry, low battery. Hold on, leave it down.
Oh. Ready, watch this. Ready.
Let's save these fish. Let's save these fish.
Ew.
Wait, okay.
Lisa.
That's it, I'm throwing it the way I usually throw it.
What? That's the way?
It's like,
That sounds hard. Hit me, hit me.
cover your eyes and your face. Oh, that would hurt.
Where'd it
That went
go?
right past your forehead. Ready? Oh my gosh.
Dude, that sounds hard.
I don't
Dude,
need
hit
it.
it.
Okay, here comes the gun.
Yo!
That went back there.
Oh my god.
Do you know where any of your other cards are?
Wait. Right here, right here. Right here.
This is a nice one.
Fresh.
Oh.
What? Dude,
It's going like this. This one went like this instead.
I gotta look at the footage. Ow, ow. Ooh.
Wow, you actually threw it.
Oh, wow.
I don't want to do this, but
Oh, I felt it. Where'd it go? For
it
real?
bounced off the
I
wall.
thought it went back there.
Oh my god.
Down it up, I saw it. Ow! That kind of cut me a little bit.
I don't want to do this.
Why?
That's it. Don't hard.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Ah!
Throw it over there.
Why? Dude, I was thinking it was something else. I was like, what? That's not the card.
I don't. Oh, there goes the other one.
Is it lost? Wait, another one.
This
Man,
one
you're
be-
in good shape.
Oh man, that's a really good one. Let's test her out.
Yo, I found a freaking guitar pick.
I'll take that. Oh dang, that's a pretty nice one. Cause I play guitar. Do you play guitar?
No,
Ready?
used to. Oh, I thought you were gonna hit me.
Oh no.
Oh my god! Dude, I gotta look at the footage. This sounded like fuck. Oh, look at that.
And this is gonna almost. I don't want to do it as hard as I just did it.
Why? You scared?
Yeah, I don't want to hurt you.
Aw.
Dude, look at that dent where it hit it. It said.
Oh, wait, that?
Yeah, I went like this. It said. Boom.
What?
Ready? Watch this.
Get it, get it.
Oh,
Wait, hold on.
is it recording?
Oh no. Okay, come on.
Oh man, that was really
Let me try,
good.
let me try.
Hold up, last one.
Wait,
No, move.
I'm scared. Whoa! I'm scared. It might cut me.
I see you can't do it close.
Oh! Dude, I felt it. I felt it. Go on.
I can get this one.
Dude, just scratch the camera. Oh! Dude, I saw a light flashing through my eyes. I'm scared. Did it get you? My turn.
Oh yes, sensei.
Oh, then I scratched you with my fingernail.
This is how I throw it.
Wait, go.
Wait.
Wait, I want to try. Hey! Ready? Ooh.
You went like this. You said.
No!
I went like that. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. You heard that? It said. Phew.
Would this work? It's not a card, but it's
I'm
something.
gonna try this.
Dude, that's gonna be loud.
It's gonna be loud, alright, isn't it?
Here. You want to use the card?
I'll just find another one.
Here.
I'll just find one. You can use that one. I just want you to know.
How do you do it?
I just want you to.
What's the takeaway too?
That is 11. 11.
Got him. 23, take away 11.
That was falling on me.
Ready? Ready?
Why did that fall?
It's a big card. It's gonna hit your face.
Can you just hit me?
That ring can get off you. Dude, wait. Oh.
I'm doing this.
Oh, for real? Oh.
Watch out.
I actually hit it. Dude, that's gonna. Oh. Ready? Ready? Oh my god. Don't do that again.